This was the second longest room at the time in Ireland. Do you know what the longest room was? Well, the long room Trinity College, yeah. Fantastic. So again, the tapestries, no? Second longest, yeah. So the tapestries again done by the women and children. Now see all the stained glass windows?
Yeah.
So that was done by Willamette. So that's what took about 4 years. Back and forward, images of the families, the mottos of the family, all their so you see, Quae source and Bola Vedra. That's Latin for we wish to see what's beyond. That was the motto of the Queen and the Window family. See it actually in the corridor we just walked down as well. Here we've got all aberration shepherds, Lot's daughters handed to boys. So these are all 16th century Italian artists. But again, it's just paying homage to Puget. They wouldn't have been here during the time of the Earls. But the first Earl to the last Earl would have died here as well. Yeah. And the second Earl onwards would have died down here. You'll see the motto of the family again, Quae source of Bola Vedra, we wish to see what's beyond. So you see that everywhere. Same things start coming up everywhere.